Hi, it's Brother William. Mag-crabs muna tayo ngayon. Alimasag po. Nagluto ako kanina. Natsambahan ko na medyo para bang masarap kumain. Yeah, it's just like eating a crab. Yeah, this is it. Not so fat because we understand that it's not winter yet. But yeah, it's delicious. Something like to eat. And what I want here, because I want to save this one, the cover. Yeah, so that's one of my purpose, because I'm gonna prepare some food for that. Yeah, not so fat, but